Hello friends, this is Saloni here and learn with me the use of for and since. For and since both are prepositions of time. For is used with duration of time, while since is used with exact time or with the starting time in the past. For is used with simple present tense, but since is not used with simple present tense. For is used with simple past tense and simple future tense. Since is not used with simple past tense and future tense. Since is used with present perfect tense and past perfect tense. And for is used with all the tenses. The examples we are going to learn in the next slide. As we learnt earlier, for is used with duration of time. Example, for the weekend, for ages, for a long time, for 6 months. Since is used with starting time, like since last Tuesday, since 2008, since midnight, since April. Let's understand again how for is used to show duration of time. Example, I have been working for few minutes. We have lived in Mumbai for 20 years. 20 years is duration of time. I have known him for few days. And since is used to show starting time. I have been working since 10 a.m. It means I started working at 10 a.m. and still working now. Another example is we have lived in Mumbai since 2000. 2000 is the starting time. I have known him since last Tuesday. Last Tuesday is the starting time. For is used with all the tenses including future tense, and since is used with only perfect tenses and never with the future tense. Example of for: yesterday I walked for 1 hour, past tense. Every day I walk for 1 hour, present tense. Tomorrow I will walk for 1 hour, future tense. An example of since: I have been walking since 9 a.m. present perfect, and now I am tired. Another example, I had been walking since childhood, past perfect, and I like walking. So friends, I hope you remember what I told you about for and since. Let's just revise it. For is used for duration of time and with all the tenses, while since is used for starting time and only with perfect tenses. I hope you liked my video, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Thanks.